I guess we all have gazed at night sky, and no doubt it is a wondrous experience to look at various constellations and finding out stars and planets yonder and over the horizon. But living in a city like Calcutta where nights are permanently illuminated does not give you the joy of such simple pleasures. The harsh glare of city lights wipe the stars clean off the night sky, and all you see is a metallic electric sheen instead of a more natural inky star-spangled sky. After so many years of stay in Calcutta, enjoying all amenities of a mechanized world, people develop a curious longing to witness something as natural as star-filled night sky. For that quest all we needed was a high rooftop and a perfectly black sky. Yes, even the moon was not desired in our canvas. We all know that the moon is like a mirror that reflects sun's light into the night, thereby faint stars might get lost. So we wanted the moon to appear over the horizon as late as possible in the night so that we could gaze at all the little stars for a wee bit longer. Hence we applied ourselves to solve the mystery of time and space. We wanted a moonly sky. For that we searched the lunar calendar precisely because that tells us more conveniently than the English calendars as to when the moon would be appearing over the horizon. We fixed a date, the Krishna Fakha, literally meaning the dark phase, when the moon makes a late night entry over the horizon. For space we wanted the tallest vantage point available. We wanted that point so that no other contour would obstruct our horizon. Having planned all that, the last thing we wanted was clouds that could shroud all the twinkling stars and hence make all the planning null and void. So can we go someplace above all the clouds of Bengal? Do a place like that